Namaste everyone. Welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today we are learning Navadurga Stotram. Before starting with today's session, let me give you the glance of a pronunciation guide, especially the lyrics that you will find on the screen. So how to go through with that one. If the letters are in a bold, then make sure that you will stress the letter like a b, g, d, dh. If you find the line on the top of the letter, then make sure that you have to extend those letters like a b, a, ra, u, like this. Then if you find a letter capital N and L, so Vishnu, N. So your tongue tip has to touch upper palate when the N is a capital letter. Similarly for Kala, L is a capital, your tongue tip has to touch upper palate, Kala. And if the letter S is in a capital, then Shiva is a simple one. Vishnu, Sh. So yes in a capital. So these are the pronunciation guide. So this information will also help you to understand the pronunciation guide. Let's start with the Navadurga Stotram. You can recite this on occasion of a Navaratri. Let's start with the first one. Navadurga. Nava is a 9. So the 9 forms of a Durga. So the simple shlokas for that, this you can also teach to children and the beginners can start with this Navadurga Stotram. The first one dedicated to Devi Shailaputri. So here is the shloka. Vande Vanchita, chi stress, Labhaya, bha stress, Vanchita Labhaya, Chandradha, dha stress, Krita, Shekharam, ka stress. We'll put together Chandradha, Krita, Shekharam. Vande, Vanchita, Labhaya, Chandradha, Krita, Shekharam. Vrusharudham. Vrusha, if you observe, yes in a capital. Vrusha. Rudham, dha stress. Shuladharam, dha stress. Shailaputri, Yashasvinim. Om Devi Shailaputriyai. Shailaputriyai. Ryai. Namaha. If you want to take it little slow, so in the setting option you have a playback speed. Go there, reduce the speed and you can learn with the reduced speed. But little slowly. We'll take it with a tune. Vandhe Vanchita Labhaya Chandradha Krita Shekharam Vrusharudham Shuladharam Shailaputri Yashasvinim. Om Devi Shailaputriyai Namaha. This was the first one. We'll go with the second one. Second shloka is dedicated to Devi Brahmacharini. Ni, the tongue tip has to touch upper palate when you say pronounce the letter Ni. N is in a capital letter. We'll go with the shloka. The dhan, the simple second dha stress. The dhan. Kara Padmabhyam. Padmabhyam. Akshamala. So we'll put all these together. Kara Padmabhyam Akshamala. Kara Padmabhyam Akshamala. Kamandalu Devi Prasidatu Mayi. Mayi, ya, Mayi. Not just a E, it's a ya, Mayi. Brahmacharinya Nuttama. Brahmacharinya Nuttama. Make sure Brahmacharinya, N in a capital. Om Devi Brahmacharinyai Namaha. We'll take it with a tune. Dadhana Karapadmabhyam अक्षमाला कमण्डलू देवी प्रसीदतु मयि ब्रह्मचारिण्यनुत्तमा ॐ देवी ब्रह्मचारिण्यै नमः. We'll go with the third one. Third one is dedicated to Devi Chandraghanta. Gha needs to be stressed when you say Chandraghanta. We'll start with the shloka. Pinda, Pindaja, Pravara, Rudha. Pindaja, Pravara, Rudha. Dha stress and extension. Chandra, Kopastra, Kopa plus Astra, Kopastra, Kair Yuta, Kair Yuta. We'll put all these together. Chanda Kopastra Kair Yuta. Prasadam Tanute Mahyam Chandra Ghanteti Vishruta. Om Devi Chandra Ghantayai Namaha. We'll take it with the tune. Pindaja Pravararudha Chandakopastra Kairyuta Prasadam Tanute Mahyam Chandra Ghanteti Vishruta. Om Devi Chandra Ghantayai Namaha. This was the third Devi. We'll go with the fourth one. The fourth one is dedicated to Devi Kushmanda. Yes, in the capital, you will feel that slight opening in the mouth when you say sh, like a air coming out. Kushmanda. Devi Kushmanda. Sura Sampurna. Sampurna, N capital. When you say N, your tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Sampurna. Kalasham. Rudhi, dhi stress. Rudhira Plut. Rudhira Plut. Meva cha. Rudhira Plut. Meva cha. The dhana, dha stress. The dhana. Hasta. Padma bhyam. Bha stress. Hasta Padma bhyam. Hasta is a hand, Padma is a lotus. Kushmanda. Shubha, bha stress. Shubha dastu. Me. Om Devi Kushmandayai. Kushmandayai Namaha. We'll take it with the tune. Sura Sampurna Kalasham Rudhira Plutameva cha Dadhana Hasta Padmabhyam Kushmanda Shubhadastu me. Om Devi Kushmandayai Namaha. This was the fourth one. We'll go with the fifth one. The fifth one is dedicated to Devi Skandamata. Simhasana Gata. Simhasana Gata. Nityam. Padmashrita. Kara Dvaya. Padmashrita. Kara Dvaya. Shubhadastu. Bha stress. Sada Devi Skandamata Yashasvini. Om Devi Skandamatre Namaha. Matre. सिंहासनगता नित्यं पद्माश्रितकरद्वय शुभदास्तु सदा देवी स्कन्दमाता यशस्विनी ॐ देवी स्कन्दमात्रे नमः. This was the fifth one. We'll go with the sixth one. Sixth one is dedicated to Devi Katyayani. Here is the shloka. Chandra hasojjvala kara. Chandra hasojjvala kara. Shardula vara vahana. Shardula vara vahana. Katyayani Shubham Bhastras Dadyat Devi. Dadyat Devi Danava Ghatini. Dadyat Devi Danava Ghatini. Ghastras. Om Devi Katyayanyai. Katyayanyai Namaha. Chandrahasojjvalakara Shardula Varavahana Katyayani Shubham Dadya Devi Danavaghatini. Om Devi Katyayanyai Namaha. This was for Devi Katyayani, the sixth one. So here in the second line, the Dadyat, mistakenly I pronounced the second one as a dha stress, so do not stress the dha. The Dadyat. Simple. We'll go with the seventh one. The seventh one is dedicated to Devi Kalaratri. We'll go. This is a little bigger one when you compare to the previous one. Ekaveni. Ekaveni. Veni, N, tongue tip chapa pale, N in a capital. Japa, Karna, Pura. Karna, N capital. Japa, Karna, Pura. Nagna, Khara, Khastras, Stita, Thistras. Nagna, Khara, Stita. Ekaveni, Japa, Karnapura, Nagna, Khara, Stita. Second one line. Lamboshti. Lamboshti. Yes, capital. Thistras. Lamboshti. Karni. N capital. Ka Karni. Karni. Ka Karni. Both the places N capital. Your tongue tip passage upper palate. Karni. Ka Karni. Tailabhya. Tailabhya. Bhya stress. Tailabhyakta. Tailabhyakta. Sharirini. Sharirini, N capital. Lambhoshti. Karnika Karni. Tailabhyakta. Sharirini. Third line. Vam Padolla. L repeated twice, give a slight stress. Vam Padolla. Salloha. Again in Salloha also. L repeated twice. Vam Padolla. Salloha. Lata. Kantaka. Bhushana. Bhu stress. Sh. Yes capital. Na. N capital. So many things to observe. Take it slowly. Vam Padolla. Salloha. Lata, Kantaka, Bhushana. Fourth line. Vardhan, dha stress, Vardhan. Murdha, Murdha, dha stress. Dvaja, Dvaja, dha stress. We'll put all together. Vardhan, Murdha, Dvaja. Krishna Kalaratrir, not just Kalaratri, Kalaratrir Bhayankari. We'll take it from the beginning. Ekaveni Japa Karnapura Nagna Kharastita Lambhoshti Karnika Karni Tailabhyakta Sharirini Vam Padolla Salloha Lata Kantaka Bhushana Vardhan Murdha Dvaja Krishna Kalaratrir Bhayankari. We'll take it with a tune. Ekaveni Japa Karnapura Nagna Kharastita Lamboshti Karnika Karni Tailabhyakta Sharirini Vamapadolla Salloha Lata Kantaka Bhushana Vardhan Murdha Dvaja Krishna Kalaratrir Bhayankari. Take it a little slowly and practice comfortably. So this was the sixth one. This was the seventh one. We'll go with the eighth one. Eighth one is dedicated to Devi Mahagauri. Shwete Vrishe, Vrishe, yes, capital. Samarudha, dha stress. Shvetam Baradhara, dha stress. Shvetam Baradhara, Shuchihi, Shuchihi. Mahagauri, Shubham, Dadyan Mahadeva Pramodada. Om Devi Mahagauryai, Gauryai Namaha. The previous one, Om Devi Kalaratriyai Namaha. I left that one. Please include that. So we'll go with the tune. Shwete Vrishe Samarudha Shvetambaradhara Shuchihi Mahagauri Shubham Dadyan Mahadeva Pramodada. Om Devi Mahagauryai Namaha. This was the eighth one. We'll go to the last one. The last one is dedicated to Devi Siddhidatri. Siddha Gandharva Yakshadhyai Rasurai Ramarai Rapi. Siddha Gandharva Yakshadhyai Rasurai Ramarai Rapi. Second line, Sevyamana Sada Bhuyat, Bhu stress, Siddhida, Siddhi, de-stress, Siddhidayini, Siddhi again de-stress, Siddhidatri, de-stress. Om Devi Siddhidatriyai, Siddhidatriyai Namaha. We'll take it with the tune. Siddha Gandharva Yakshadyaira Suraira Marairapi Sevyamana Sada Bhuyat Siddhida Siddhidayini. Om Devi Siddhidatriyai Namaha. So here we complete the Navadurga Stotram. At the end, you would say Iti Navadurga Stotram. In the beginning, you can start with Atha Navadurga Stotram or just go with Om and you can continue. So we'll recite the complete Navadurga Stotram. I'll take it little slowly. Om Vande Vanchitalabhaya Chandradha Kritashekharam Vrusharudham Shuladharam Shailaputri Yashasvinim Om Devi Shailaputriyai Namaha Dadhana Karapadmabhyam Akshamala Kamandalu Devi Prasidatu Mayi Brahmacharinyanuttama Om Devi Brahmacharinyai Namaha Pindaja Pravararudha Chandakopastra Kairyuta Prasadam Tanute Mahyam Chandraghanteti Vishruta Om Devi Chandraghantayai Namaha Sura Sampurna Kalasham Rudiraplutamevacha Dadhana Hasta Padmabhyam Kushmanda Shubhadastu me Om Devi Kushmandayai Namaha Simhasanagata Nityam Padmashrita Karadvaya Shubhadastu Sada Devi Skandamata Yashaswini Om Devi Skandamatre Namaha Chandrahasojjvalakara Shardula Varavahana Katyayani Shubham Dadhyat Devi Danavaghatini Om Devi Katyayanyai Namaha Ekaveni Japa Karna Pura Nagna Kharastita Lamboshti Karnika Karni Tailabhyakta Sharirini Vamapadolla Salloha Lata Kantaka Bhushana Vardhan Murdhadvaja Krishna Kalaratrir Bhayankari Om Devi Kalaratriyai Namaha Shvete Vrushe Samarudha Shvetambaradhara Shuchihi Mahagauri Shubham Dadyan Mahadeva Pramodada Om Devi Mahagauryai Namaha Siddhagandharva Yakshadyaira Suraira Marairapi Sevyamana Sada Bhuyat सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदायिनी ॐ देवी सिद्धिदात्र्यै नमः इति नवदुर्गा स्तोत्रम् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So here we complete Navadurga Stotram. I hope it was comfortable for you. If you have any doubts, if you feel there are any corrections in the video, please do let me know. I do correct it, and you can comment for any doubts or any clarifications. You can comment here. Thank you so much. See you in the next Stotram. Namaste.